Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss regarding TSMCet 2020 fee reimbursement. So most of the students are having doubt, will I get only 35,000 fee reimbursement or I will get full fee reimbursement. So in this video we will be discussing in detail who will get 35,000 fee reimbursement and who will get full fee reimbursement. So make sure to watch this video completely without skipping any part. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first of all, we will be discussing regarding full fee reimbursement eligibility. So these students will get full fee reimbursement. The government will pay total fee of the college of the students those who are eligible for full fee reimbursement. So now we'll see who is eligible. So number 1, minority students means Muslim minority students. Number 2, SC and ST caste students. Number 3, government college students means in inter those who have studied in the government colleges, they will get full fee reimbursement. And number 4, the students those who have secured below 10,000 rank in TSMCet 2020 will get full fee reimbursement. So the student rather than this will get only 35,000 fee reimbursement from the government if they had qualified TSMCet 2020. So there is another condition for getting fee reimbursement from the government is your income. Your income matters a lot. So the income for BCA, BCB, BCD, BCE candidates for urban area means city area students, it should be less than or equal to 2 lakhs. And for rural area means villages area students, it should be less than or equal to 1.5 lakh. And if you talk regarding the SC and SC caste students, for urban or rural area students, the income should be less than or equal to 2 lakhs. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.